Hi there, welcome to Excellent Scholars Academy, and today we'll be solving more questions on differentiation from first principle. Okay, so this is the first question we are going to solve. Y equals 2x squared plus 5x minus 2. So we add small increment in y, which is also change in y, equals 2 into x plus change in x all squared, okay, plus 5 into x plus change in x minus 2. So this becomes y plus change in y equals 2 all into, opening this, you have x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x all squared. You close the bracket. Now open this bracket, you have plus 5x plus 5 change in x minus 2. Okay, so now it becomes y plus change in y equals, this opens this, becomes 2x squared plus this opens it, becomes 4x change in x plus 2 change in x all squared. Okay, then plus 5x plus 5 change in x minus 2. So the next thing we'll do is we'll take y to this side. So it becomes change in y is going to be equal to 2x squared plus 4x change in x plus 2 change in x all squared plus 5x plus 5 change in x minus 2 minus y. I hope that is clear. So recall that y equals 2x squared plus 5x minus 2. So we're going to substitute y here. It becomes that change in y equals 2x squared plus 4x change in x plus 2 change in x all squared plus 5x plus 5 change in x minus 2 minus into bracket your y now 2x squared plus 5x minus 2. Now change in y is going to be equal to 2x squared plus 4x change in x plus 2 change in x all squared plus 5x plus 5 change in x minus 2 minus, open this, it becomes minus 2x squared minus this gives us minus 5x minus this gives us plus 2. Now we can have this to take away this. So plus 2x takes away minus 2x squared. Now 5x takes away minus 5x. Minus 2 takes away plus 2. Okay? Is there any other thing we can come to? Okay. I think there's no other thing. Okay, so from here, we're going to have change in y to be equal to 4x change in x, okay, plus 2 into change in x all squared plus 5 change in x. Okay, so now we're going to divide through by change in x. So it becomes change in y over change in x equals 4x change in x over change in x plus 2 into change in x all squared over change in x plus 5 change in x over change in x. Okay, so one change in x takes away one change in x here, becomes change in x, change in y over change in x, sorry, equals 4x. One change in x takes away one change in x, it becomes 2 change in x plus, now this change in x takes away this change in x, we're going to have plus 5. So this becomes that change in y over change in x equals limit change in x as it tends to 0 in 4x plus 2 change in x plus 5. Okay, So now it becomes that dy dx is going to be equal to, now anywhere we see change in x, substitute it for 0, it becomes 4x plus 2 into 0 plus 5. So that means our final answer, dy dx, will be equal to 4x, 2 times 0 is 0, makes it irrelevant, plus 5. Okay? And this will be our final answer.